5 minutes short workout with pole. I'm Narumi. I'm your pole dance instructor and a performer. You need a pole in this class. Let's try this workout. Oh, before you're going to start, subscribe this channel and you're not gonna miss weekly videos. So before start, I want you to grab the pole and bring your one foot all the way to the front. So nice gentle stretch. Just bring some awareness on your arm. Hip slightly forward and then you feel the stretchy arm. Change side. Step forward. Elbows stays on the pole. Exhale, bring all the way to the front. Nice little stretchy on the arm. As you exhale, bring hip forward. Okay, we are good to go. So first of all, I want you to grab the inside arm, elbow forward, and the outside arm, top. So don't be apart, close each other. Then bring the inside foot in the air. So make sure your hip is front of the pole. So we're gonna bring this opposite leg 5 times. Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Other side. Armpit in. Squeeze the tummy muscle. Hip front. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Now I want you to bring the foot front of the pole and then grab the pole one more time. So then we're gonna cross the leg, inside the leg to extend and then going to front kick. But try to make it slow motion. Let's do 3 times both sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do other side. Armpit in. Squeeze the armpit. Strong arm. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now we're gonna do 5 times in a squat with the pole. So bring your inside foot in the air. You can grab the pole. So if you are problem with the knee, just be careful, do it slowly and then don't rush yourself. Ready to go? Then bring down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. When you are standing up, pull your hand at the same time. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. So now I want you to bring the one leg to the front. Then going to turn. Catch. And open. Bring back. Then pirouette. So let's do one more time. Facing to the pole. Right hand, top of the pole. Bottom hand, flip. Then 1, 2, catch and open. Then reverse. Bring your foot, hands flip one more time, and catch. Let's do 2 more times. So step forward, 1, and then catch, 2. Open, come back, reverse, back. So last one. 1, catch, out. 1, reverse, come back. Other side, step forward. We're gonna do pirouette. Flip, catch the pole, open, bring back, reverse, come back. Let's do 2 more times. Pirouette, grab, open, bring back, catch the pole, flip. Last one. Pirouette, catch, stop, bring back, armpit, come back. Thank you so much for this class. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to train more, check this video. It might be helpful for you. Have a nice day and see you next video.